back to the channel. Today we're going to mock up the motor and the Nova today. And we're going to check some crucial items here. This is a 302-3 HOLLEY pan with the clearance for a 4-inch crank, stroker crank. So I want to make sure that's going to clear the cross member, and we'll make sure everything clears before we put the real one in. This foam motor has all the same bolt holes that a factory LS would have, so I can bolt on these hooker mounts, and then we can put it up in there and try everything. Taut on that one. Voila. These are some hooker long tube headers that I got ceramic coated. Welded some V-bands on them. We're going to test fit those too.
Now Eric's going to mock up the headers, check for clearances on those as well.
Got it all mocked up in there. The header's on. Plenty of pan clearance there. I got it mocked up with some wood right now. Plenty of room. Plenty of room for the steering box. I know just because I've done a bunch of these already. Actually sits a little higher than this, but I've got plenty of room up here. Good clearance. Clearance in there. you have to drill a couple holes in the frame that aren't there. So I just transfer punched them. Got the rear end mock fit here. I gotta weld the perches on because this has got offset leaf spring shackles, Detroit Speed ones, to make room for more tire for the mini tubs. Get out of here! Get out of here. That's it. That's the end of the video. But stick around for more content. Like, subscribe, hit the button, do all those things.